My neighbor here is also on the phone, so I'm not sure you might be able to hear her voice in the background, but we'll give this a try. So in this garden, this is not exactly how I want it yet. There's a couple things I would definitely not do, and that is get roses from Aldi's. So this, you can see this rose plant just looks dead here. And there was another one like it that I already pulled out. They just did not do well. But I did get this knockout rose from Garden Factory. And you can see there's another little bud coming. I think the deer, though, have been snacking on it, so I need to put some deer repellent on it. But I definitely would go with knockout roses next year. Another thing I like about this garden is the caladium. This is the first time I've tried caladium, and I think it's absolutely beautiful. It's been doing great here. Here's another one. And then there's this pink one over here, although a couple stems look bitten off, so I'm wondering if deer like to eat this too. So I definitely want to grow caladium again next year. I do have some wild geranium in here as well, and that has not been doing as great. It kind of looks too leggy to me. There's another one over here, and I do see a couple of little purple blooms there, but this just doesn't seem to be the right place for them. So I definitely not do them here. I think they need a sunnier spot. And I'm hoping to put in a big hosta back here instead of that little one to fill in that space in the back.